Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Oracle is a Fortune 500 company within the systems software industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 1.8%. Earnings growth, 17.1%. Earnings estimates, 9.64%. Return on capital, 12.06%. Debt to free cash flow, 7.59 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 1.72%. Payout ratio, 24.29%. Growth rate, 16.36%. Growth years, 1 year. That gives Oracle 6 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate Oracle as a position for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Oracle is fairly valued. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.